Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Science by Dr. Alka Mani. Today we will discuss about class 10th, chapter 4, carbon and its compounds. Students, ये चैप्टर जो है थोड़ा लंबा है और एक या दो वीडियो में कवर नहीं हो सकता, तो इस चैप्टर की मैं टॉपिक वाइज आपको वीडियो शेयर करूंगी और इस वीडियो में मैं जो टॉपिक ले रही हूँ दैट इज हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. Hydrocarbons. Students, hydrocarbons are the compounds formed of carbon and hydrogen. और हाइड्रोकार्बन हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में कहाँ देखते हैं, इनका यूज क्या देखते हैं? फ्यूल्स इन द बसेस एंड ऑटोज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ CNG. CNG what is? Compressed natural gas. And the main component of this CNG is methane, which is the hydrocarbon, and it is the simplest hydrocarbon. Next one is cooking oil. Cooking gas. In cooking gas, it is in the form of LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Again, the main component of LPG is methane. Next is petrol and diesels, the mixture of hydrocarbon. So this is the tabulated form carbon. Carbon is present in two forms, element form and compound form. In element form, its symbol is C and its atomic number is 6. It is non-metallic in nature and its valency is tetravalent. It is the tetravalent and it belongs to group 14 of the periodic table. And in the compound form, it is found in two kind, organic compounds and inorganic compounds. In organic compounds, it is in the form of alcohols, aldehydes, hydrocarbons, carboxylic acids. And in the inorganic form, it is the bonding without hydrogen. Carbon forms bonding with some other elements other than the hydrogen. Like it forms carbonates like calcium carbonates, CaCO3 in the form of carbonates. In the form of cyanides like hydrogen cyanide, HCN. In the form of carbides like calcium carbide, CaC2. These are the inorganic compounds. So mainly we will focus on the hydrocarbons in this video. Hydrocarbons are mainly of two types, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are in the form of alkanes and unsaturated hydrocarbons are in the form of alkenes and alkynes. So all these three types of hydrocarbon, alkanes, alkenes and alkynes, we will discuss one by one. Before we start alkanes, we should know about the counting of carbon atoms. So, if the compound is with one carbon atom, it is called meth. And two carbon atom compound is eth. When carbon atoms are 3 in number, then it is prop. 4 carbon atoms, but. 5 carbon atoms, pent. 6 carbon atoms, hex. So you should learn all these and it will also help in the nomenclature. When we will discuss about nomenclature, then you should learn all these names. 1 carbon, meth, 2 eth, 3 carbon, prop, 4 carbon, but, 5 carbon, pent, 6 carbon, hex. So let's start about hydrocarbons. These are mainly of two types. These are saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons. What are the characteristics? Hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are connected by single bonds only. When there is a single bonding between two carbon atoms, then these are known as saturated hydrocarbons. These are alkanes and its general formula is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms. So first one is meth, as I told you ki one carbon atom meth, and it is the first member of alkane, so add the suffix ane, alkane, methane, first carbon and with ane, methane. Now put value 1 in place of N when N is the 1. C1 H2 multiply 1 plus 2 and it will be CH4. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 4 CH4, and this is its molecular formula, and when it is explained in the form of structure, it is structural formula when we show it with the help of bonds. As I told you, carbon has tetravalency, so 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 bonds, 4 valency of carbon, and hydrogen is monovalent. Its valency is also 1. And all these 4 hydrogen atoms are attached with this carbon and they form CH4. This is the structural formula. Next one is ethane. Eth means 2 carbon atoms and ane means alkane, member of alkane. In all the members of alkane, the suffix ane is used. Here we take the value 2 instead of n. When n is equal to 2, put the value C2 H2 multiply 2 plus 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, C2H6. This is the molecular formula of ethane and this is the structural formula. The carbon atoms are 2 in number. Place these 2 carbon atoms in a straight chain and complete the tetravalency 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And place hydrogen atoms with this, and like this we can draw structural formula. Next one is propane. Prop means 3 carbon atoms and ane means member of alkane, and this is the suffix as we use. So put the value 3 at the place n. C3 H2 multiply 3 plus 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 and 2 8, C3 H8. This is the molecular formula of propane, and carbon atoms are 3 in number. Place the 3 carbon atoms in a straight line and complete the tetravalency of each carbon atom, and now add hydrogen atoms. These hydrogen atoms are 8 in number and carbon are 3 in number. This is the structural formula of propane. Now we have completed first saturated alkanes. There is single bonding between 2 carbon atoms. First 3 members are methane, ethane, propane. Next will be butane, pentane, hexane. And you can draw them by putting the value of N. Next one is unsaturated hydrocarbons are of 2 types, alkenes and alkynes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons characteristics: hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are connected by double or triple bonds are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. There is double bonding between 2 carbon atoms or there is triple bonding between any 2 carbon atoms. These are called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now alkenes. Characteristics: unsaturated hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are connected by at least one double bond. There is double bonding between 2 carbon atoms, then it is called as alkenes. Ene is the suffix which we will add to the number. Now general formula of alkene is CnH2n, where n is the number of carbon atoms. Let's see. Second is ethene. This is the first member of alkene because at least as we know हमें कि दो कार्बन के बीच एक डबल बॉन्ड चाहिए, तो फर्स्ट मेंबर जो है इसका मीथेन. मीथेन में हम एक ही कार्बन एटम लेंगे और उसमें डबल बॉन्ड फिर कहाँ लगाएंगे, तो इसलिए हम फर्स्ट मेंबर इसमें जो लेंगे वो होगा इथीन. तो मीथीन नहीं होता बच्चों. जब हम एल्कीन स्टार्ट करते हैं तो उसका फर्स्ट मेंबर जो है वो इथीन से ही स्टार्ट होता है. एंड एथ मीन्स टू एंड इन मीन्स डबल बॉन्ड. We put the value n is equal to 2. Here is C2H2 multiply 2 is equal to C2H4. 2 to the 4. This is the molecular formula of ethene. And now we will draw the structural formula. Put the two carbon atoms in a line and put the double bond between the two carbon atoms. Now complete its tetravalency. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the hydrogen are 4 in number. Place 4 hydrogen atoms with these bonds, and this is the structural formula of ethene. Next one is propene. When the carbon atom is 3 in number, so put the value 3 in the place of n. C3H2 multiply 3, 2 3s are 6, C3H6. This is the molecular formula of propene. And now draw the structural formula. Carbon are 3 in number. Put 3 carbon in a straight line. And there is a double bonding between 2 carbon atoms. केवल किसी 2 कार्बन के बीच ही आपको डबल बॉन्ड लगाना है. जो बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं इसमें कि वो सभी कार्बन के बीच डबल बॉन्ड लगा देते हैं, ऐसा नहीं करना. आपने किसी 2 कार्बन के बीच ही एक डबल बॉन्ड लगाना है. एंड इनकी जो टेट्रावेलेंसी है वो हम पूरी कर लेंगे. हर एक कार्बन की 4 वैलेंसी कंप्लीट कीजिए. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and put all the hydrogen atoms with this. And now we can draw the structural formula. Now next is butene. But means 4 carbon atoms, and ene means there is double bond between 2 carbon, any 2 carbon atoms. And n is equal to 4. Put the value 4, C4H2 into 4, 2 4s are 8, C4H8. This is the molecular formula of butene, C4H8 molecular formula. And now draw the structural formula. Carbon are 4 in number. Place all the 4 carbon atoms in a straight line and put the double bond between any 2 carbon atoms. And now complete all the bonding. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. And hydrogens are monovalent, so they are joined with these bonds by sharing 1 electron with the carbon atoms. And now hydrogen are 8 in numbers and carbon are 4 in numbers. Like this we can draw the structural formula. Next 3 members are pentene, hexene, heptene. Now this is the tabulated form. We have completed saturated alkanes, methane, ethane, propane, as I told you. Next one is alkenes. There is double bonding between any 2 carbon atoms and the members are ethene, propene, butene. So the first member of alkene is ethene and the first member of alkane is methane. You should keep in mind. Next are alkynes. General formula is CnH2n minus 2, where n is the number of carbon atoms in one molecule of alkyne. Alkynes characteristics unsaturated hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are connected by at least one triple bond are called alkynes. There is triple bonding between any two carbon atoms. So general formula of alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. तो स्टूडेंट्स जो इन तीनों के जनरल फॉर्मूला हैं एल्कीन्स और एल्काइंस के, ये आपको अच्छे से लर्न करने हैं. दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, वेयर n इज द नंबर ऑफ atoms in one molecule of alkynes. So let's start with first member of alkyne is ethyne. Eth means two carbon atoms, and ine means there is triple bonding between any two carbon atom. It is the suffix as we added eth plus ine, ethyne, and put the value 2 in the place of n. C2H2 multiply 2 minus 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then C2H2. This is the molecular formula of ethyne, and this is the structural formula. The carbon atoms are 2 in number. So place the two carbon atoms in a straight line and put triple bonding between these two carbon atoms and complete the tetravalency 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 and 1, 4. And we have two hydrogen atoms. As the hydrogens are monovalent and they join with carbon atom with sharing of single electrons and forming single bond, H and H. This is the structural formula of ethyne. Now propyne. Prop means 3 carbon atoms and yne means triple bonding. Put the value 3 in place of n. C3H2 multiply 3 minus 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 2, 4. C3H4. This is the molecular formula of propyne. And place all the 3 carbon atoms in a straight line. Put a triple bond between any 2 carbon atoms. Complete the valency 4 and add the hydrogen atoms. Like this. Next is butene. But means 4 carbon atoms and yne means triple bonding between any 2 carbon atoms. Now n is equal to 4. Place the value 4. C4H2 multiply 4 minus 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 2, 6. C4H6. This is the molecular formula of butene. And now this is the structural formula of butene. We have 4 carbon atoms. Place the 4 carbon atoms in a straight line and complete the bonding. There is one triple bonding between the 2 carbon atoms. बच्चे क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं कि सभी कार्बन एटम्स के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्डिंग लगा देते हैं. ऐसा नहीं करना. किसी भी 2 कार्बन के बीच आपको एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड ऐड करना है और हर एक कार्बन की टेट्रावेलेंसी कंप्लीट कर लेनी है. 1 and 3 4, 3 and 1 4. ये 3 जो है ये दोनों कार्बन के लिए कॉमन है. And this carbon is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. And put the hydrogen atoms as they are monovalent in nature and share single electron and forming single bond. Now this is the complete table hydrocarbons. Quickly revise कर लेते हैं बच्चों. 2 types की है, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated में there is single bonding between carbon atoms and unsaturated में there is double or triple bonding between 2 carbon atoms. And these are the 3 members of alkane: methane, ethane, propane. And next 3 are butane, pentane, hexane. And this is the alkene, double bond between 2 carbon atoms, and general formula is CnH2n. And these are the 3 members of alkene: ethene, propene, butene. And next one is pentene, hexene, heptene. And alkynes, these are there is triple bonding between any two carbon atoms. General formula is CnH2n minus 2. And these are the examples: ethyne, propyne, butane. And next are pentyne, hexyne, heptyne. So students, आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो आप इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो है वो आप तक जल्दी पहुंच सके। थैंक यू।